as you provided. The image shows a Kia Sorento, a popular mid-size SUV known for its comfort, advanced features, and performance. Here's a detailed breakdown of its exterior and interior. Exterior details. 1. Design and style. Sleek, aerodynamic body with bold curves. Signature tiger nose front grille with chrome accents. LED projector headlamps and LED daytime running lights. DRLs. Sporty alloy wheels, usually 18 to 20 inches depending on trim level. Power folding side mirrors with integrated turn signals. Roof rails for added utility. Rear spoiler and LED tail lamps for a modern look. 2. Dimensions. Approximate. Length 4,800 millimeters, 189 inches. Width 1,890 millimeters, 74.4 inches. Height 1,685 millimeters, 66.3 inches. Wheelbase 2,815 millimeters, 110.8 inches. Ground clearance 185 millimeters, 7.3 inches. 3. Additional features. Panoramic sunroof. In higher trims. Smart power liftgate for hands-free access. Dual exhaust outlets for a sportier appearance. Rain-sensing wipers. And front/rear parking sensors. Interior details. 1. Seating and comfort. 7 passenger capacity with 3-row seating. Leather or premium cloth upholstery. Trim dependent. 10-way power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. Heated and ventilated front seats. In premium trims. Reclining and sliding second-row seats for flexibility. 2. Dashboard and technology. 10.25-inch infotainment touchscreen with navigation. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility. Digital instrument cluster. 12.3 inches in premium models. Wireless charging pad for smartphones. Multi-zone automatic climate control. 3. Safety and driver assistance. Advanced driver assistance systems. ADAS. Forward Collision Avoidance Assist. FCA. Lane keeping assist. LKA. And blind spot monitoring. 360-degree camera with rear cross-traffic alert. 6 to 8 airbags, including side curtain airbags. Engine and performance options. 1. Engine choices. Varies by region. 2.5 L 4-cylinder petrol, 187 horsepower, 241 Newton-meters torque. 3.5 L V6 petrol, 280 horsepower, 336 Newton-meters torque. 2.2 L turbo diesel, 202 horsepower, 440 Newton-meters torque. 2. Transmission. 8-speed automatic transmission in most variants. A WD all-wheel drive, available in higher trims. 3. Fuel efficiency. Approximate. Petrol. 9 to 12 kilometers, 21 to 28 mpg. Diesel. 14 to 17 kilometers, 33 to 40 mpg.